Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use SUMIF function in Excel. The SUMIF function in Excel allows you to quickly add up values in a range that meets specific criteria, saving time and enhancing data analysis efficiency. So let's start the video. First, open up Excel worksheet. Here we have a list of sales data, product names in column A and sales amount in column B. Now if we want to sum sales for product A, for this, click on the cell where you want the sum to appear and type the SUMIF formula is equal to SUMIF starting bracket. First, we select the range where we want to look for the criteria. In this case, it's column A, which contains the product's name. So our range is A2 to A9. So select it. Now comma. Now specify the criteria. Since we want to sum sales for product A, so our criteria is product A. So type it, again comma. Finally, we have to specify the sum range, which is where the numbers we want to add up are located. Here it's column B, so our sum range is B2 to B9. So select it. Now close the bracket and hit enter. And there you have it. Excel will sum up all the sales amount for product A, which is 485. Now what if we want to sum all sales greater than 500? For this we can write the formula like this, is equal to SUMIF, select the amount range. Now enter the criteria, greater than sign and 500. Now close the bracket and hit enter. And Excel will add all the sales greater than 500. So that's how to use SUMIF function in Excel. Thanks for watching.